Hey guys, this is Steven Smith here with MarineMax in Houston, coming to you with a Boston whaler, one of the classics that we love, a 2018 280 Outrage. It's a big offshore center console fishing boat, and I wanted to do a quick walkthrough and show you some of the great features on this boat. At the front of the boat, of course, it's equipped with a windlass and a stainless steel anchor. You've got a control here, a freshwater connection as well, and of course you have controls at the helm, so you don't have to have someone at the front of the boat. Utilizing all the space in the front with comfortable seating, there's also a large fish box underneath here, or cooler if you will, drains overboard. One of the really cool features about this boat that's unique to its class is this large storage locker that actually has steps you can get down in it. It's huge. It's got 5-gallon buckets. We've got a bow sunshade that comes out, all your accessories. You can keep safety equipment, fishing equipment, anything you want in that large box. I'm going to come right in front of you here and we're going to show you guys the head compartment that's built into the center console. It's got a vacuum flush head, you've got all your gauges and switches, a fusion head unit in there, and that's the bow table. It's a perfect place to store it for when you don't want that in the way up front. If you look right on the side of the gunnel here, we've got trolling seats that we've put on both sides of this boat. A great place to sit or hang out when you're fishing something on the side that's not quite at the front of the back of the boat. We come to the center console here and talk about the helm for just a second. There's plenty of space here for 2 electronics displays, VHF radio, whatever you would prefer to add. Of course, we've got the ventilated area to bring some more air in here, but it's a full glass windshield, really keeps the water off if you're coming back in some rough technology. Wanted to talk about the power plant that we have. We have twin Mercury 300 horsepower Verados on this boat. Really makes it a good performing boat. Of course, tilt steering and another fusion audio connection here. We're also excited to talk about the leaning post, which is an optional that we've added on this specific boat. You've got flip down bolsters for both people. You've got a great trash cans area right here that's built in. On the side that I'm on, there's some tackle drawers as well. We move back and we have one of the 2 live wells on this boat built into the leaning post with some extra rod holders, a little bait prep area with a sink, some other storage over here on this side. And we move back, and another great feature about the Boston Whaler is this big, really beefy fold-out rear seat that you can put away when you're fishing and have access to the back of the boat, which is the most important. Another live well back here on the transom, multiple rod holders. You've got a freshwater rinse down back here. Of course, Boston Whaler known to have the fish boxes in the floors on both sides that can pump water in and out, as well as a really accessible compartment in the center for all your batteries, pumps, other switches and things like that, your power steering, etc. Very accessible and easy to use. This is a 2018 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. Really excited to talk about the features in it. Come see us down at MarineMax in Houston. My name's Steven Smith.